You built it, but your PC isn't ready yet. Do these 5 essentials now. 1. Double-check every power and data cable. Confirm standoffs and motherboard mounting points. Loose cables can short or block fans. 2. Update your BIOS to the latest. Then install your motherboard chipset drivers. 3. Do a clean OS install. Set a restore point and schedule regular backups. 4. Tune fan curves and temperature thresholds. Stay cool, quiet, and extend component life. 5. Install antivirus, remaining device drivers, and run Windows Update. Validate with a quick benchmark. Like and follow for more PC tips.